Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw perhaps the most awesome weapon in Fortnite, and which is the Plunja. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how to draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and I'm going to draw at a right angle. We can always tilt the paper after we're done, because I think this way is going to be a little bit easier. So to draw, we're going to draw the Plunja first. We're going to draw one curve like this. And then now we're going to draw the other curve, which is the opposite of this curve, but leave yourself a little bit of gap. So with this gap here, we're just going to come straight out on both ends. Okay, and then now we're going to just draw another curve, pretty much the same as the inside curve. So we're just kind of outlining almost. Just connect it all the way back, and then this one as well. So we're just outlining, and this is the plunger. Okay, so from here, now we're going to give this some thickness here. So we're just going to draw two straight lines like this, and again we're going to draw the same curve. So now we're just connecting it. Okay, and then on this side here, yeah, we can just draw like a little line. Alright, so then on the other, the plunger on the bottom, you can actually draw, come in and draw a little curve like this, and then curve this inward. Okay, so it's a very shallow curve, just curve it up. Okay, so that's the plunger, so we're gonna keep going. So draw two straight lines and a little bit of curve, and then this is gonna be the stick, so we can just draw two lines. I know it's gonna be way out, so I won't be able to see in the camera. But you can draw it as long as you want. And I'm actually not gonna draw it that long. It's hard to see in the camera. Okay, so coming back up. So in the middle here, now we're gonna start drawing the sword. And right here, and the inside the plunger, just go ahead and draw a nice straight line. And then we're gonna continue that line through here, come down, and this is going to be the sword, and so we're going to bring it back in. Okay, so now there's going to be some details here. We're going to extend it. Just draw another rectangle here. Then we're going to extend this. Okay, so we're just drawing a bunch of little rectangles. And then let's see one more in here, smaller one. And then now for the grip, we're just gonna extend it all the way out. Sorry if my line's a little wobbly. Okay, so we're gonna close it. And then for the end, again, another rectangle. So now for the wrapping, it's really simple. I'm gonna do a little bit different from what it is in the game. I kind of like this kind of wrapping better. So just kind of zigzag all the way around on one end, and then I'm going to start on the other end. Okay, so you end up making a lot of these little rectangles in here, and then you can shade them in. Actually look pretty cool. I mean, not rectangle, like little diamond shapes in here. Easy way to make these kind of design. And then now for the sword, so again, so from here just go out and then just kind of continue this line, and you can go out, and I'm gonna run out of space on the paper and also out of camera view, so it won't be that long, but you get the idea. So you can draw it as long as you want. So once we're done, we can just rotate it so we get this nice angle. And that's it for this Plunja, which is kind of a crazy weapon from Fortnite. So hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.